Hello everyone, back again with another OBD11 how-to video for Audi C7 owners. This video is a direct request from our Instagram followers. When we asked, what do you want to see for OBD11 how-to tutorials? Someone requested the needle sweep. So right now, when you start your car under OEM settings, if you haven't adjusted this, when it comes on, everything turns on, lights come on, and your tachometer needle just settles on whatever RPM your engine is idling at. When you enable this, when you turn the car on, your tachometer needle is going to sweep all the way through your RPMs and then back down and settle at whatever you're idling at. So here's how you do it. Get connected, press the blue button, go down to dashboard. Once you find dashboard, click on it. Once your system menu comes up, you're going to click on long coding. Let this activate, and there's going to be a bunch of stuff in German. Look for the one that says Zeiger Sweep and click on that. Should say not active. You're going to click active, OK, and then press and hold the green button. Once it says coding is accepted, then your needle sweep is active, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, guys, so the car is off. Let's turn it on, and I'll show you the needle sweep. And I just realized in making the video that your miles per hour indicator needle also goes all the way up and back down. Hope this helps you guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments what other kind of tutorials you want to see using the OBD11 tool. Thank you.